If you think compliments are just about saying something nice, you're missing the entire psychological game. Most men compliment what they see, but the compliments women never forget target what they feel. Psychology shows that women's self-esteem is multi-layered. It's tied not only to looks, but also to identity, intelligence, and emotional significance. When a man touches those layers with authenticity, her brain releases oxytocin, dopamine, and serotonin, the same chemicals linked to bonding and trust. Let's start with something few men ever realize. Women constantly hear surface comments. You look good. You're beautiful. Nice dress. Their minds file these away as social noise. Compliments like these feel transactional, temporary boosts that fade the moment they're said. What she craves, though, are compliments that affirm who she is, not just how she appears. These are the words that resonate long after you leave, because they validate the deeper psychological needs that most people ignore. The first kind of compliment that sticks forever is the recognition of emotional intelligence. A study in the Journal of Social and Personal Relationships shows that women rank empathy and attunement higher than physical attractiveness when evaluating long-term partners. So when you tell her, "I like how calm you stay when things get stressful," or "You always read the room so well," you're praising a social skill that her brain has been trained since childhood to refine. It's not vanity you're feeding, it's competence. Compliments like these speak to her identity as someone capable, intuitive, and emotionally sharp. That kind of acknowledgement lights up reward centers in the brain associated with mastery and belonging. The second compliment women rarely hear, yet secretly crave, centers on individual uniqueness. Psychologists call it the distinctiveness motive, the deep human need to feel irreplaceable. Most compliments compare or generalize. You're the prettiest, you're the smartest, you're better than other girls. Those might sound flattering, but they activate social comparison instead of security. What makes a compliment unforgettable is specificity. You have a way of explaining things that makes them easy to understand, or the way your mind connects ideas is fascinating. Research from the University of Texas found that specific praise enhances intrinsic motivation because it reinforces personal authenticity rather than competition. When she hears that, she doesn't just feel admired, she feels seen. The third compliment that never leaves her memory taps into impact recognition. It's when you acknowledge how her presence genuinely changes you or the environment around her. According to self-determination theory, one of the strongest drivers of emotional satisfaction is a sense of significance, the feeling that your existence positively influences others. When you say, "You make people feel comfortable around you," or "Every time you talk, the room feels lighter," you affirm her emotional effect on the world. Her brain interprets that as proof of value, not in appearance or performance, but in energy. It tells her she matters. That is the psychological root of unforgettable admiration. Notice the pattern. All three compliments share two traits: depth and truth. They're earned through observation, not routine flattery. They require listening, paying attention, and valuing who she is beyond what's visible. Neuroscience shows that when praise feels sincere and unexpected, it activates the brain's ventral striatum, the same region linked to joy and connection. This is why genuine, precise compliments feel almost addictive. They create micro moments of intimacy that generic words never achieve. Here's what most men miss. A compliment only lands when it mirrors her internal self-image or expands it positively. Tell her something that aligns with her quiet pride, or gently reveal a strength she hasn't recognized yet, and she'll think about it for days. Women don't replay the compliments that inflate ego. They replay the ones that awaken identity. So the next time you speak to a woman you care about, skip the obvious. Don't focus on beauty, style, or the usual praise that evaporates. Focus on her awareness, her individuality, her influence. Those are the psychological gateways that make a compliment unforgettable. Because at the end of the day, women forget words that flatter their looks, but they never forget the man who made them feel seen, valued, and impactful.